The State Cabinet today approved the amendment to the Meghalaya Health Service Rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board in its rule. This will enable MMSRB to function and conduct necessary exams and recruitment for vacancies in doctors' posts in the state. Meanwhile, the National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments for compensation on deaths of prisoners, and based on its direction, the Cabinet has approved the compensation, which will be notified.
Amended the Meghalaya Health Service Rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board also in these rules, so that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board can function and can conduct the necessary exams and the necessary recruitment for the vacancies of different doctors and doctors' posts in the state.
O.M. Roy Memorial